Yes, Kevin, right, 3.125, that's the DNA. And for those of you who think that I am, just because we're here, I'm super bullish, I am not. I think that bounces should be hit, but I do know that this is a major target that we are at right here. So sometimes you do nothing. And don't forget our retest areas where we broke down. Seven, keep your clothes on. Come on. This is a G-rated room. On the daily, if you will recall, we said this green line, we wanted to come back at least and test this. This low over here is key support. This breaks, and we can come test any low below it. Step by step. Weekly look, monthly look. I'd say we're doing a little unwinding. And don't forget, by the end of the by 9 o'clock-ish, anybody that's played a directional move, you want to take your profits. Trailer is all, because you have a gap. Today's going to be extremely difficult for most players. Most players have not played overnight, and it's going to be extremely tough for them to figure out what to do. There are some days you have an edge, some days you don't. Just because the math and everything works for us doesn't mean you have access to it. If you weren't up last night, the frustrating thing is waking up and seeing this kind of a move and saying, hey, I want to short it, I want to short it. Just understand that, you know, that's not easy to short the low. It's not what you want to do typically. I don't know. We're gonna do one. I said we will do a webinar. Matter of fact, later today, if you want, if we've got time, we can go over the spreadsheet, or we'll do one tomorrow afternoon. And you know, if he's got his camera set up, we'll go over the spreadsheet. I'll show you how to fill that whole thing out. Okay, we've got a new low. Anytime we get a new low, got to start the process all over again. Okay, and you have to start this process all over again now. Now my assumption is that most of the day's range is already in, although that does not have to be true. You could just get chopped for a while. So any moves this way are profit-taking moves, because we've had a trend day overnight. We've had this 28 break, and we've pushed in this direction. The overnight low. If this holds now, I still don't expect this to come and break early today. This is your resistance level right here at this 26 area. So theoretically this targets 16. Most traders get caught trying to short way too low. You know, news comes out and it's already at 18 and they try to short 18. If you take a contra, it's a scalp only. We've had a new daily low. We still don't have any angel. All we have is a reaction from profit taking at this 18 area.